Here's my son's 67 KARMANN GHIA. We're going to fix a rust hole today. It's got a little hole right there in the engine compartment. I'm going to mess with that and get that all fixed up for him so he can paint it. He's been taking all the paint off down there. So we'll try this and hopefully it helps somebody out. What are you doing there?
Just taking off this top or this tab right here, or pulling it back up.
So you can get the wire out, right?
Yes, just like that.
Okay, so there's some spot welds just along here that we need to get out. So I'm going to mark those, and then he's going to drill them out. Just trying to get these drills started. We don't want to go through the other piece of metal here, just this one. So we drilled the spot welds out. Now we're just popping this piece of metal off. So we can see if it's good underneath. So far, it is. Just like that. Okay, we're going to treat this with some phospho or etch and prep. Okay, so we got our template made. We got the plug weld holes drilled, and we're going to put that thing in.
Alright, so this is the finished product. Where that hole used to be, we put a piece of metal, welded that in, and then grinded it all down. And now all we have to do paint.